very important past chancellor of Germany was Helmut Schmidt, came up with an insight which said we shouldn't impose our values, our German or European values on other regions, because sanctions and enemy images never solve any problem. So let's go in cooperation in the future and not into sanctions and confrontation. I think the culture of China is so important. The technology we see in China with autonomous driving and other things are so important that the world as a whole can win if we go closer together. And it's very impressive what the Communist Party in China created in the last 30 years. And the One Belt, One Road initiative would be one big issue that could help to increase welfare, to create growth, industrial growth, economic growth in very, very large number of countries.